Take one.
Hola, back with me Nabilah. So today I want to talk about something really important to talk about, especially to those at the age early 20s or a student or someone who wanted to start a new business. This video is for you. Let's go. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, but I experienced it myself even until today. We love spending money, but believe me, it's not healthy for our pockets. Here's are the tips and tricks. Number 1. Set goals and aims. Second, do monthly budget. Third, go and find verified mentor or classes about business. Lastly, always think wisely in every decision before you regret. It is important for us to have a target to achieve something in life. When we have goals, we focus. So let's say you want a brand new handbag. You know how to manage and decide your money to buy something. If you want it, go and get it. That sounds cool, right? Yes, I agree, we love spending money, but it's not healthy for our pocket, guys. Trust me, I've been there. I believe lots of you guys still don't know how budgeting system really works. It calls budget categories: rent, utilities, transportation, groceries, study, beauty, entertainment, and others. Go back to your expenses and look how much money you're making and how much money you're spending, so you know where all your money goes. If you are the person who wants to start a new business, please, I encourage you guys to go out and find verified classes or mentor to at least have some basic knowledge about business. Remember guys, in business, it's easy to gain and lose money. Besides, by joining those classes, you will also be able to learn about management, strategy, and marketing. And the most important part is you will not get scammed easily by whomever you deal with in the future. Last but not least, think wisely before you did any decision, especially when it comes to a big and serious matter. The most important is that knows the needs and wants in your life, so you can make a saving in the future. As a 21 years old student, I believe saving brings a lot of benefits. It helps in emergencies, helps to be free from debt, and helps to finance a wedding, a car, and a house. And also, it helps finance further education. And the most important part is you can use your saving for holidays. #self-reward. That's all from me, so I hope this video will give some input to you guys out there. And remember, don't overspend it and make a saving. Bye!